So I feel like there's a need for Black girls to STEM because often throughout that educational experience or that professional experience, I was the singular Black woman in many spaces or the singular Black intern in many spaces. So I kind of felt that isolation sometimes and questioned my own belonging in STEM spaces throughout my journey. So it was very important for me to give back to the St. Louis community, to other Black girls, to create a space that we really did see representation, that we really could create community, and we really could encourage that confidence and that curiosity such that when you do come across these instances, that our girls have the confidence to know that they belong and they don't have to question that. I just started doing workshops in 2018, and then in 2019, we did a partnership with SLPS where we piloted with maybe like 80 girls, and out of the initial 80, 14 girls continued to come to community workshops after March. And subsequently now this year, we're on target to serve 200 girls, 6th through 12th grade. I think what I'm most proud of is that we have confident, curious girls. And they're excited and eager to be facing tomorrow, and they're very confident on what they're going to do in their majors or where they want to go work. We see shifting mindsets. We see parents and younger siblings or older siblings dive into this idea of STEM and innovation. You know, we have parents leave us voicemails that say, my daughter came home and she talked about this thing she had learned all day, and I learned so much from her telling me about this that I had never known, this history of Black innovation, and thank you for what you're doing. Right now, our kids are just starting to do community projects where they're disseminating the things that they're learning and that they're doing to community. And we want to continue to expand that such that the community is more involved. The future of science is promising in our region. I think the opportunities exist in our region, and I think that's what excites me, to make sure that that ecosystem is diverse and inclusive, and that our girls have access and opportunity to those next phase careers or next gen careers. I always want people to know that Black Girls Do STEM is truly an organization that is centering Black girlhood, that they learn how to value themselves, value their experience, and then we focus on how we put these STEM skills in their toolbox so they can leverage that in any room or any space that they occupy.